got me another one. It's 2003 Chevy Silverado. It's got some 17-inch American racing rims. Got some rust. A little bit. Overall condition, it's okay. Guess it got hit back here somewhere somehow. Yeah, got some damage. Different tail light, blue. Yeah, let me do some work. It's missing the damn door for fuel cap. It's got some rust. Typical. I'll do some work. Probably that's another video I'm gonna make. It's got a bad wheel bearing. It's a little dirty. It's new to me, but somebody's old truck. See some rust right there. Little bit. Yeah, that thing's missing. Yeah, it's another one. It's a 03 Chevy Silverado 1500 extended cab, 2-wheel drive, not a 4-wheel drive, so should be easier to work on. See what's next.